outside of the wish list, yellow. Finger hearts, baby, let's go. Thank you so much for the vibes. We appreciate you. And yes, welcome to our final hour. Our next guest actually represents Sparkle and GMA Playlist. She used to hang with the Sangres in 2015's Encantadia. And now she's on board the iconic Wish 1075 bus for her Wish Bus debut. Please welcome Aras and Agustin. Ara, welcome to the Wish Bus. Come on.
Hi, thank you so much for having me and our Playlist band. Thank you so much.
Yes.
It's a dream.
We are actually very delighted that you are on board the Wish Bus. Pero syempre, welcome din natin. We got Marvin, Angel, and Roxy. Thank you so much for squeezing through your schedules to be with us today. Now, let's retrospect. Your career started Starstruck.
Starstruck, yes.
Yes. And if I may ask, do you remember your audition piece? Was it dance number? Was it a song? Was it like an acting?
It was a song. Kapal ng mukha ko. I sang an Adele song.
Oh,
Set
wow.
the Fire Through the Rain.
Right. And then?
Talagang ang baon mo lang kapag nag-audition ka is kapal ng mukha. And I guess na-develop na lang din because of my job. So, naisip ka na, this too shall pass. Like, kahit anong kababayan, kahit anong struggle or whatever challenges you face, mangyayari, matatapos at matatapos na yan.
Right. Speaking of nerves, though, how do you feel on your first Wish Bus visit?
Masala yung kilig-kilig ko. Kinakabahan ako, pero I'm trying to keep my cool.
But how familiar are you with the platform, though? Have you been binge watching on other artists?
On YouTube.
Yeah, for real?
Yes.
Sino ang pinapanood mo na Wish Bus performances?
Favorite ko yung mga this band.
Mga hugot songs.
Gusto ko yung mga depressing songs.
Mga Moira.
Mga Moira, yan.
Right.
Yan.
Right. Well, it's fascinating to know that you were introverted because you had a stint with Bubble Gang.
Yes.
Right? So,
that was a challenge.
How is it navigating the realm of comedy?
Mahirap siya, ha? For me, I think comedy is more difficult than heavy drama. Para sa akin. Para sa akin. Masarap din yung experience ko sa Bubble Gang, eh. Parang kapag may mga other challenges pa ako sa career ko, naisip ko, daanan ko nga yung Bubble Gang, eh. Kakaiba yung mga... Ha?
Hanggang dito